Hello, grade 8s. What we're going to be doing today is you're going to be given a work block on your Caesar speeches. So at this point in time, I'm going to be going over what I expect from you from your work block today. You are going to be given a few work blocks to work on your speeches, and so it's really important that each and every block is used to help you, and that you are able to come away from each block with having done something productive. Okay, so here's how I'm going to be evaluating and measuring how you're actually working on your work blocks. For this block, I'd like you to start working on an online Word document. And so you're going to be starting to do research on your character. So what I'd like you to do is open up a Word document on Office 365 or Edmodo. It's up to you. My preference is for Office, so actually just work on Office since all of you have access to it. You're going to name your document. Okay, so you'll name it Caesar Speech. And today what you're going to be doing is you are going to be collecting information about your character. So let's say you're doing Julius Caesar. Okay. Why don't you, an easy way to kind of like help you organize your thoughts would be if you created a table, and on your table you were able to like have some notes about Julius Caesar. So let's just make a table really quick. So let's say this is like information that you find about your character, and then you can have like how this helps your speech. Okay, so your information and how this helps your speech. Okay, so what you can do is, like, let's say your character is Julius Caesar. What you're going to be doing for this block is you're going to be doing some research about him. Okay, so you'll be doing some research. You'll go to like places like history, Julius Caesar history. Okay, so you'll be like finding out about Julius Caesar. You'll go to, let's say, history.com. Maybe you like watch a little video about him and you read about all of his amazing feats that he did. Okay, and then you're gonna start putting that information here, and then on this side you're gonna be like how you can use this in your speech, right? So what part will this be, right? So how will these points that you've learned in this information help you in your speech? So you're going to be just writing down your information here, and then like how this helps you, or maybe like you'll just be kind of like synthesizing your information here. Okay, after this is done.
Julius Caesar lived by the sword and died by the sword.
Cool. Okay, after this is done, what I'd like you to do is you're going to share your research with me so I can keep tabs on your progress. Okay, so when you go up here and click share, you can click create a link. Okay, and then you can copy the link. Okay, so create a link and then copy this link, and then share that link with me on the assignment that I'm creating. Okay, so at the end of this block, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going on to Edmodo, and I'll be submitting to you like this check-in form. It looks like this. So it's Julius Caesar checkup. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your name, first and last name here. I'm asking you which character you are. You're going to pick the character that you are. This is where you're going to submit the link of all the work you've done today. So at the end of today, I should be able to see what you've done. If you've done nothing, then you're already behind the 8 ball. So make sure that you just take your link and you copy and paste it into here. There's a question, how well did you use your time today? 1 is very poorly, 5 is excellent. So pick a number, and then what did you do to accomplish to warrant that prior rating? What that means is like, why did you earn the mark you gave yourself? Okay, so at the end of today, maybe with the last 6 minutes or 5 minutes or so, you're going to just fill this form in, submit it, and then I'll be using that to just kind of like formatively assess your progress. Okay, so that's what you need to do today, and I hope you are very productive. Thanks.